So tell us what you're feeling.
Uh,
Why are we doing this? You can't turn your head?
I cannot turn my head and I cannot see.
You feel it in there?
Mm-hmm.
Let's bring it around the corner. Oh, yeah, way down the street. Nice. Nope.
No,
Uno más. Nope.
nope.
That one's good. Alright, look left again.
Better.
Yeah, all better there.
Much better.
And then
It's already brighter in here.
we get our T-spine. I'm sure I've got the best T-spine adjustments.
I do. So satisfying.
Alright, stand up. Face that way. And both hands go here. Hook right in there. Yeah, across. These are spirit fingers. Out of there.
Much better. Much better. Now it's bright in here.
Yeah. You up too? Going to? You're up. Thumbs out. So we're down. Got him. I know, right? It wasn't below the waist. Scoot down. Nice. Stand up. Face that one. Both hands here. Good. Both hands here. Look down. I'm feeling that one. Sweet.
The shirts.